Hello friends, welcome to IT Articles. Today we'll see some 3D effects in CSS. So we'll be working how we can apply some 3D effects on the text, like uh, when we have some text written on a page and we want to apply some 3D effects. Let's open or create new directory calls that's TextShadow, and let's open in Visual Studio Code. We'll be creating two files. One is index.html, as we'll be having some basic HTML, and another as style.css for basic CSS. Although we'll be having just basic CSS and we'll be applying some text shadow, but still we'll be having text. Let's change the title name, text shadow. Let's add the style sheet to the page. Oops. Style.css, and let's CSS is already added. Okay, let's apply some basic class on body called body. Here we'll have a basic body and we'll have some background, let's say some dark DDD, oh sorry, 333, and again we'll be using live server to serve these pages. Let's see. Yes, so everything is linked and running. So what we'll be doing is, let's have two div. One is called let's call it 3D effect, IT, and let's have another called 3D effects articles. Yes, we can see that here, right? So using some CSS, we'll be changing the font color and we'll be bring it out, because it's a numeric value, so we can't have the class that start with the numeric values. So what we can have is underscore 3D fact. So although this is not a good practice to have underscore as a starting of a class, but yes, just to limit the error that we were getting, just to show that how we can't start a class name with a numeric. So let's have some font color as white, just to see if everything is linked and working correctly. No, it's not, right? 3D effects and font color, font, oh, it's not font color, it's just color, and yes, it's applied. And what we'll be doing is, here is, let's pull it in centered, so we can have margin left as 50%, and then we can have the transform translate x minus 50%. So now, okay, let's change the display. Let me margin left as display as inline block. So now IT articles is in center of the page. We'll have to font 300 and font 500 two classes, because we want to have a two different font size on IT and articles 2 divs. So we'll say font size as 300% of the current size, and for the 500 we'll have a, oops, we have a 500. So let's copy these two classes and we'll apply here. On IT articles you want the 500 and here you want the 300. Okay, so it's applied and it's in center. Let's copy the two color of our logo. This color is of background, so it is almost what we have now, so roughly the same, not exactly, but and background is changed. Now this color is some orange shade of our logo, so let's have it here. We'll change the color as this, and let's go here. Oh, it's not working. Why so? Something is wrong here. Color display margin, translate color, font family, something is wrong. Color display inline, left margin, translate text color white. Okay, we have two colors, so remove this color. Now it's applied. So let's have some font family. This time we'll be having Arial, rounded, empty. Okay, to change to this to uppercase, we'll have a text transformations to upper, although you can type it as full upper, but we are using the CSS to convert the case to the upper. So now it's like a plain text. Now we'll be working how we can apply some text shadow to give it as a 3D look. So let's minimize this part, this console. Now we'll be applying some text shadow here. So we'll be having some two text shadow. One is which will be at right top side, so somewhere right in top, somewhere here, and we'll apply another dark text shadow which will be at left and bottom, so somewhere here. So let's try this first. As I said, on top and right I'll be applying some light color CSS. So let's make it something called GCC. Let's see if it looks good. So let's make X as 2 pixels, Y as let's say -3 pixels, and we want to spread, or actually blur effect, we want to give it as a blur effect to the, let's say, to the 9 pixel. Yes, so we are getting some impact here, some effect, which is, as I mentioned, at top and right side of this text. We'll apply some dark effect, box shadow actually here. So let's make it 333, and that we want, let's say, -5, and we want to spread little blur to till 9 pixel. Yes. So now I mean you can see like okay, what we'll be doing is (3D) effect will create another class my style, and there will be having all this, and then we'll have 3D effect which will have just effect. So we'll have two here, I mean same, one is without effect. I know that that has dot that I need to remove here, and I'll copy the same here. Let's apply some break, and here I'll be having this style also, I mean this class also. Oh, underscore 3d hyphen. I know this naming is not as per. Okay, so my style, and I need to hit the Control S here also, so you can see the difference between this and this IT. So it's giving actually you some 3D look, and of course we can change this, which is actually a blur size, and this is how we want to set the dimension of this color, which works as text shadow. So that's it, I think, for today. Thank you guys. Please do share, subscribe, and like my video. Thank you so much.